Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is your host, dost, and a friend, Ali Darshi, once again with the Golden Nugget. And this time it is an electric vehicle company. Name General Motors.
Did you know that Norway sells way more electric cars per capita than the US? Norway. Well, I won't stand for it. Never mind. With GM's new Ultium battery, we're gonna crush those losers. Crush them! Let's go, America. Keenan, Norway's out EVing us. Wait, what's this?
Oh, it's my daughter's birthday. She's really into pirates
I don't
lately.
care. Grab an EV, meet me in Norway.
Okay, can I say goodbye to my family?
Nope.
All right.
Aquafina, sorry to disturb you, but Norway's beating us at EVs.
Nuh-uh.
Uh-huh.
Nuh-uh.
Uh-huh. Meet me there in an hour.
Can I ride with you?
No! GM's Ultium battery is made for all types of vehicles, so soon everyone can drive an EV. Whoa!
Why didn't we all just go together?
Knowing Will, he's probably flying private.
Hey, Norway, listen up, you fish-loving.
Oh, this place is adorable. Damn it. Where are you guys?
We're in Finland. Where are you?
I'm in Norway.
Norway? You're in Sweden.
Damn it!
So, you saw the ad? Will Ferrell, Super Bowl ad. GM placed it this Super Bowl. And they're going to Norway. Ultium batteries are coming in. Ultium battery cars are coming in. GM has announced its electric vehicle, 30 models they will be coming up with 2035. There's a lot more to GM. GM is unveiling, 3 cars this year. They will be going into production. They will be coming out next year. So a lot is going to change with GM. GM was a traditional company before, but now GM coming in the EV space, it will be one of the biggest competitors to Tesla and to other companies, those who are operating under the electric vehicle segment. So let me show you what are the commitments GM has made to the public and how they will be pursuing that. Coming down to their website, if you see electrification, vehicle safety, path to autonomous vehicle. Now that is something interesting, isn't it? Let's go and check out their electrification side. What they say, it's a beautiful car which is being launched. This is the SUV coming in, and this is absolutely brilliant. After this advertisement, we will be coming down and we'll be seeing EVgo. I want to shed some light on EVgo and 2,700 charging station which GM have collaborated with. EVgo is one of the companies too which is coming into play. It has come under a SPAC merger named CLII, the ticker, and they will be getting in pretty soon, and the merger will be finalized hopefully pretty soon. You will also be able to see this company grow pretty fast because they have also other than GM, they have also got the contract with Tesla for fast charging super stations. They wanted to place out all across United States and all across North America for that matter. And coming down, if you see, GM is going to zero emissions in future, and they are partnering with big companies like LG. But this is absolutely good. Now this one pretty amazing. If you see GM Hummer EV, they have announced it. The quiet revolution has begun, introducing the world's first all-electric super truck, GM Hummer. GM Hummer is coming, then Cadillac Lyric is coming, then 2020 is the year for Chevrolet Bolt EV. Now this is also coming. By 2035, GM will stop producing vehicles which were fossil fuel based, gas powered, diesel, but they will be electrified completely. So the world is changing. This is one of my golden nuggets, and I am really bullish on GM. In future, GM will be one of the biggest players in the market, not just in North America, worldwide. Coming down to General Motors website again, their part 2 autonomous. This is my most intriguing one. I really like to know how autonomous vehicles can operate, and how they will be changing the space of the ride hail, of the taxis, and of the passenger traveling from one point to the other, like Uber and Lyft and stuff like that. But this is absolutely amazing, the work GM is doing right now. I guess no one is aware of it because it is not highlighted that much. If you go onto the website, you will be able to see how they are changing things, and they are bringing down the self-driven electric cars, which will be on shared basis also. This is Cruise Origin and this is Cruise AV. Now, designs and shapes and stuff like that, I will try to play the video of the interview of the CDO over here, Chief Engineer Christy. Let's have a look.
My name is Christy Rasbach. I'm the Chief Engineer of Autonomous Vehicles, and I have the privilege of leading the autonomous engineering team here at GM. GM is a leader in autonomous technology, and for me to lead the incredibly talented team that's working on bringing this technology to market, that's exciting. Our approach to AV development is to integrate the technology from the ground up. And really, when you look at General Motors, we're in a unique situation because of all the expertise that we have under one roof here. Traditionally, in fields like engineering, I think women are still underrepresented. There's a phrase out there that says, you can't be it if you can't see it. So I think that serving as a role model in this space and helping young women see what's possible, it's incredibly exciting. GM's vision for a world with zero crashes, zero emissions, and zero congestion means a lot to me personally from the standpoint of safety. I can't help but think about my own family and the fact that I'm going to have children driving soon. So understanding the possibilities of what the technology can offer from the standpoint of safety is really personal, and it's really exciting to be playing a lead role in developing that every day here at GM.
So, ladies and gentlemen, you saw this, how Christy explained what is the vision of GM is zero emissions, zero crashes, and saving the environment and stuff like that. Now, if GM will be coming with autonomous shared cars, what will happen to the industry, which is surviving on passengers and from point A to point B? Things will be totally different. I want you guys to open your eyes and ears and mind and think ahead. This is the chance to at least put down something of your wealth, make some money, make some wealth. So if you have to take a decision of changing your careers or changing your paths, you can do that within the lifetime. Other than that, you will just be sitting and waiting for the darkest day to come. I hope you have seen this. I hope I have given you insight on General Motors. I hope you have learned that what is coming with GM. GM is one of the biggest giants, and it is running in the US completely, and also outside. Now, things are changing, absolutely changing. Please take this as an education. Take these information as insights. Learn. Educate yourself, do your due diligence, take some risks, take some profits. Do like, share, and subscribe my videos. Hit that bell notification which is over there so you can get my videos on time, and I will be back again with Golden Nugget one more time in the next week. Take care. Bye bye.